With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so we are given with a question which says a uniform hollow sphere of mass 200 gram rolls without slipping on a plain horizontal surface with its center moving at a speed of 5 centimeter per second. So we need to calculate its kinetic energy. So we have been given with a hollow sphere which is moving on a ground surface without slipping. So this is the given situation, something look like this. So first let's try to understand what exactly is the meaning of rolling. So rolling is a combination of translational motion and rotational motion. So combining these two motion, we will get the motion as rolling motion. All right. So here we can see the hollow sphere is translating as well as rotating. So when it is translating, so we suppose that its speed is vc, that is a velocity of the center of mass that is moving towards the rightward direction, and so we can say every point on the body will move with the same velocity vc in the forward direction. All right, so this has to be understood very well. So every point on the body will move with the same velocity vc. Here on the ground position we have shown it with the red color, and here also the velocity will be vc. So every point on this hollow sphere will move with the same translational velocity or speed, we can say vc. Now at the same time also it is been rotating, so every point, let's suppose that this point we are talking about, so at this point there will be a tangential velocity which has been acting, and it's been given by the formula r into omega, if r is the radius of this hollow sphere. All right, so at this point it would be something over like this downward, and at this point we have made it with red color and it is moving in the backward direction. So at this point it would be tangential velocity would be in the this word above direction. So we have made at every point there are two speeds that has been acting. One is due to translation, one is due to rotational. So r omega is due to rotation, and vc which we have written over here is due to translational motion. All right, so uh, now let's get back to the condition for rolling without slipping. So rolling without slipping is that condition in which we have to consider the point which is in contact with the ground. Let's suppose that this point is p. So uh, if point p is at rest, if p is at rest, so relative to ground we are considering it, so we can say the body is rolling without slipping. All right, so also we know p will only be at rest if vc will be equals to r omega. All right, so this is the condition for rolling without slipping. I hope you are getting this point. So PC is a point on the hollow sphere which has to be at rest with respect to the ground surface. If if it is at rest, we can say uh, the velocity, that is translational speed, will be equals to the tangential speed. All right. So now we have to calculate the kinetic energy. For that, we can write it as kinetic energy can be written as, due to translational we can write it as half m vc square. Due to rotation it can be written as half I omega square. All right, so let's substitute the value. So half m, uh, we are supposing m to be the mass of hollow sphere, vc square plus of half I is the moment of inertia of hollow sphere, that is nothing but 2 by 3 m r square, and instead of omega we can write vc by r the whole square. All right, so here we will give the reason. Omega is nothing but vc by r, and moment of inertia is 2 by 3. All right, so from here finally we are getting the result as 5 by 6 uh, into vc square. So just we have to substitute the value and we will get the uh, there is m also missing, so 5 by 6 m vc square. So just we have to substitute the value 5 by 6 into m is given 200, that is we can write it as 0.2 kg into VC has been given 5 centimeter per second, so it would be 25 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter per second. So the answer comes out to be 4.17 into 10 raised to minus 4 joule. So this is the right answer to this question. So correct option matching with this is option A. So I hope you have understood the concept, and thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.